guys, how you going? Welcome back to my channel. Sandy here, and here I am about to start work on this work in progress commission that I've been doing since January. So I want to get stuck into it and try and get as much done today as I can. It is for relatives who really like my drone style beaches. So hopefully what I finish they like, and yeah, I'll take you on the journey of creating it. And as you can see, I've got quite a bit of the base colours down already, and I just got to put some layers down until I'm happy with the beach and how it looks, and then I'm going to start adding little tiny people and all that. So I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you do, and hopefully you'll subscribe and watch more, and I'll catch you later. See ya. varnish the painting with this Liquitex professional matte varnish, and it's really quite good, medium. And got some stuff to cover my desk so I don't ruin it. This is a big brush. With it. I'll start from the bottom, I'm just going to pour it straight on and then spread it around. This is what I usually do. Don't mix it with water or anything, I just put it straight on. Do a couple of coats after each layer is dried. I'll wait for that to dry and then I'll do another layer. I don't know, in another hour's time. Well, she's all done. I'm really happy with the result. As you can see, it came out rather nicely. I'll show you some close-ups of the little people that I've done. And yeah, finally I can start getting it ready now to ship off over to New South Wales. And hopefully the clients will like their new painting. I guess I learnt quite a bit on the way. That is, don't dilly-dally, just get stuck into it and get on with it, because otherwise you start losing your mojo, which I did with this piece. But finally it came back to me and I was able to produce something that I feel is quite nice. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching me create this piece, and yeah, I'll see you next time. See you later.